Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Bitform to ActiveCampaign using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app, and search Bitform as a trigger. Click on Submit Success. Select your form. Now click on the Listen Response button, and go to the form. Fill out the form. Form submit successfully done. Now go to Bitflows dashboard. The form data will be available in captured response. Now close the Trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select ActiveCampaign. Create a contact as an action. Add connection. You can change the connection name to get the URL and value. Go to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Then select Setting and Developer. Here you can see your URL and value. Copy the URL and paste it here. Copy the API key and paste it. Connect. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in MailMint, open your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Select Contacts. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.